Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best air hose reel. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Lincoln 83753 Retractable Hose Reel. Value Series Air/Water Retractable Hose Reel with 50 foot by 3/8 inch rubber air hose, 1/4 inch NPT, 300 psi, slotted mounting base, 5-position adjustable outlet arm, all steel construction. Brand, Lincoln. Material, steel. Color, red. Durable all-steel construction. Built with high-quality, all-steel construction, this hose reel ensures longevity and reliable performance in tough workshop or industrial environments. 50-foot high-pressure rubber hose, equipped with a 50-foot by 3/8 inch rubber air hose that can handle up to 300 psi, offering flexibility and durability for a variety of air and water applications. 5-position adjustable outlet arm, features a versatile 5-position adjustable outlet arm, allowing for customizable hose direction to fit your workspace needs. Slotted mounting base. The slotted mounting base makes it easy to install the hose reel in a variety of locations, whether in a garage, workshop, or industrial setting. Retractable design with smooth operation. The retractable function enables easy and smooth hose retraction, preventing tangles and maintaining a neat, organized workspace. Number 2. Retractable Garden Hose Reel. 5/8 in x 100 feet upgraded UV-resistant heavy-duty automatic hose reel, wall mount 3/4 in brass fitting, 9-pattern nozzle, any length, lock, slow retraction, 180 degrees swivel. Brand, Blahaden. Material, anti-UV and anti-freeze polymer material. Color, light gray. High-flow rapid watering. The 5/8 in x 100 foot hose on this retractable hose reel reduces water pressure loss by 35% over long distances compared to 1/2 in hoses, saving 80 minutes per session for irrigating basketball court-sized gardens. Ideal for large-scale, high-efficiency tasks. Precision dual ratchet locking. Patent, US 011319184B2. Blahaden's auto rewind water hose reel passes 3,000 rigorous tests with plus or minus 0.65 feet locking accuracy. 50% more durable than traditional locks, it eliminates hose slack and secures exact lengths, ensuring precise positioning at balcony corners or garden edges without dragging excess hose. 20,000 cycle self-winding system. Industrial-grade alloy spring ensures consistent retraction force. The self-winding hose reel retracts 20% slower to prevent whipping hazards while achieving 90% faster storage with smooth, tangle-free operation. UV plus freeze-proof durability. Built for outdoor use, these water hose reels feature a UV-resistant coating tested from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, doubling lifespan by resisting cracks, fading, and weather damage. Burst-resistant hose. The hose on this hose reel for outside features 3-layer PVC plus reinforced fiber braid, tested to 348 psi burst pressure, 3x the 120 psi working pressure. Unlike inflated claims, this safety margin ensures no leaks or bursts for 2+ years of stable use. Self-aligning zero friction guide. Self-lubricating nylon track reduces friction by 60%, 3,000 cycle tested, ensuring smooth retraction and perfect hose alignment to prevent jams or tangles. Number 3. Pressure washer hose reel, with hose for hot and cold water. 3/8 x 50-foot steel auto-retractable high-power wash hose reel. Heavy-duty hose reel, wire-braided hose 4,000 psi, black. Wire-braided hose. 3/8 x 50-foot pressure washer hose replacement is rubber construction with a high-tensile wire-braided layer, perfect for hot and cold water in gas and electric pressure washer. The pressure washing hose reel keeps your work environment clean and tidy. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and industrial settings. Controlled auto rewind. Say goodbye to tangled hoses and time-consuming manual winding. The pressure washer reel with a retractable spring-driven mechanism. This high-pressure hose reel offers convenient and controlled retraction for 3/8 ID pressure washer hoses up to 50 feet long. The multi-position lock ratchet mechanism allows you to secure the desired hose length, providing flexibility and ease of use. Superior construction. The pressure washer hose reel is crafted from heavy-duty industrial steel with brass fittings. The steel material is heat-treated in powder coat finishes for providing exceptional resistance against corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance and long service life. Built to withstand extreme working conditions. Wide application: the retractable pressure washer hose reel's adjustable guide arm and robust steel construction base allow for secure and stable mounting to any flat surface of outdoors or indoors, such as ground, wall, or ceiling mounting of factory workshops, garages, body shops, automotive workshops. Number 4. MILTON Strength Air Hose Reel. Auto retractable steel dual arm, 3/8" MNPTX 50 feet hybrid rubber hose, 300 max PSI, Red 2770-50D. Brand, MILTON. Material, steel. Color, red. Lightweight specially formulated EPDM rubber hose is 40% lighter than traditional rubber hoses. Chemical resistance: superior resistance to chemical damage compared to leading competitors. Greatest temperature range: industry leading flexibility from 190 degrees Fahrenheit to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact design for better space optimization. 12-point ratcheting system, better than 8-point leading competitors' system. Number 5. VEVOR Retractable Air Hose Reel. 3/8 INX 50-foot hybrid air hose, max 300 psi, air compressor hose reel with 5-foot lead-in, ceiling/wall mount, heavy-duty single-arm steel reel. Brand, VEVOR. Material, metal. Color, open reel. Strom hybrid hose: the premium commercial 3/8" X 50-foot hybrid polymer hose has a working pressure of 300 psi and features 1/4 NPT connections, allowing it to connect to air tools. It's all-weather flexible with a temperature range of -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit and provides full control without flow cutoff or hose entanglement. Auto rewind: the VEVOR Auto Rewind Air Hose Reel makes it easy to use your hose without any kinks. Simply give the hose a gentle tug and it will retract smoothly. The reel also has 4 non-snag rollers that reduce hose wear and abrasion. You can adjust the stopper to lock the hose at any desired length. 180 degrees mount bracket comes with a 180 degrees swivel bracket. The heavy gauge steel reel assembly can be mounted on the ceiling, wall, or floor. You can quickly and easily connect it to your air compressor in your workshop, garage, or basement. Durable construction: the spring guard and rubber protective sleeve work together to offer long-lasting protection. The spring guard is resistant to rubbing and prevents the hose from bending and wearing at corners, and the rubber protective sleeve shields the air hose connection from bending, leaking, or wearing. For everyday use, VEVOR 50-foot air reel is versatile and ideal for industrial and DIY applications. It's perfect for auto shops, workshops, home studios, garages, and even mobile mechanics. With our air reel, you can tackle any job with ease. Get prepared for your next project by choosing VEVOR. Number 6. Premium Steel Retractable Air Hose Reel with Dual Arm 3/8" X 65 FT Hybrid Polymer Hose, Heavy Duty Air Hose Reel included Auto Rewind Reel, Quick Air Coupler, Durable Double Side Frame. Brand, Airzilla. Material, steel. Color, 3/8" X 65 feet. Durable construction: Airzilla Air Compressor Retractable Hose Reel with Dual Arm is made with heavy-gauge industrial steel, which make the whole structure stable and durable, and prevent the hose from jumping out of reel drum. High-quality powder coat finishing for long-time corrosion-resistant, which make unit suit for both indoor and outdoor using. Air hose specification: 65+5 FT lightweight flexibility hybrid polymer hose could be used in toughest condition, -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. No memory premium commercial hose material feature could eliminated kinks problem. Resistant against water, oil, heat, and weather. Up to 300 psi. Dual arm position easy adjustable: the roller bracket can be adjusted to the best angle for the smoothest operation. Loosen 6 screws to rotate the dual arm to the desired position to get the best pulling and retraction feeling. Brass air inlet and outlet joint: integrated outlet parts made with solid brass could protect items from leaking. 1/4 inch NPT brass fitting with additional quick connector set make item ready to connect with air tools. Hose Goodie: a multi-position guide arm allow you to mount the auto rewind retractable reel on ceiling, floor, and wall. For non-snag rollers could reduce the abrasion and wear on the hose, which could prolong the reel's lifetime. Lock and automatic rewind operation. The hose can be locked at desired length by its metal latching pawl when the clicking sound is heard. A short tug could unlock the hose to let it retract all the way back smoothly and nicely. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.